Hello students, welcome back e-classes of Computer of Standard 12th. Let's continue the topic Cascading Style Sheets of chapter number 2. Types of CSS. There are three types of cascading style sheet. External style sheet, internal style sheet, inline style. Next is advantages of CSS. CSS allows us to set the format of the website without changing the underlying structure. We can make changes to the website without the fear of accidentally changing the data. The web designer's job is made easier as to change the style. We have to set the style for each element only once. CSS has less code compared to that in HTML. The web pages will load faster. Using CSS makes website designing quick and efficient. Next one is the disadvantages of CSS. The CSS compatibility varies with different browsers. It means some of the style sheet features are not supported by the browser and the style cannot be displayed as per the user's design. There are multiple levels. This can create confusion for non-developers and beginners. HTML was originally used to control the appearance of the web pages. The web pages designed using HTML were static and could not be changed after the browser rendered them. The demand of more interactivity created the need for new web programming language called JavaScript. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a scripting language that allows you to add programming aspect to your web pages. JavaScript is an object-oriented programming language initially designed and implemented by Netscape. JavaScript is a simple, lightweight programming language that does not contain the advanced programming functionalities of languages like C and Java. JavaScript is used in web pages to improve the design and validate the forms. Today, mostly all the web browsers like Mozilla Firefox, Chrome, Safari, and Internet Explorer support JavaScript. Using JavaScript, a web page no longer remains static but can include coding that allows interactivity with the user, control the browser, and dynamically create HTML content. What is validation? Validation is a method to authenticate the user. JavaScript provides the facility to validate the form on the client side so that processing will be faster than server-side validation. It is preferred by most of the web developers. The most common form of JavaScript application today is client-side script, which runs inside a web browser. Using JavaScript, the form is generally checked for the following things. Has the user left any required field empty? Has the user entered a valid email address? Check whether content of two fields are same or not. Has the user entered a valid date? Has the user entered text in the numeric data field? We will be continue JavaScript in next video. Thank you students.